So this is my trx-4 Mercedes G-Wagon, G500 I should say. Did some modifications to it. Put these bad boys on it. Of course I put the Decepticon symbol on it. I got the working hitch on there with a little switch under the wheel well. Got some Tommy guns on there with a Stone Cold Steve Austin hat, I think it is. Some bicycles. What else is in there? Toolkit, air compressor. We got the fire extinguisher, gas tank. We got the tow hitch, another Decepticon symbol. We got a little bucket over there. This thing is pretty cool, bro. $500, I barely ever use it. Someday. I actually got a house with some trails. I got the lights hooked up to that right there. I did install one of these, which I really don't like because it doesn't work that well. Oh, I forgot I did this too. I actually screwed that to this plate. It was an engine with the fans that were supposed to go right here and actually cool the motors, but the fans didn't work while I was in the engine. So I decided to split them up. Here's my switch for the winch under the wheel well, so I can get to it easy. And then I blew the stock motor the first day hooking up one of these sound things. What happened, but the thing started going crazy, and the motor started smoking. These things are cool though. Suspension out, it's crazy. I ain't doing nothing to the bottom yet. Well, I probably will get red arms right here. Red differential caps. And I was thinking about doing brushless, but I don't think I'm going to do that because they're not meant to go super fast. I am going to get a plow for it, like I got the other one, but this one I'm going to actually get one where the plow can go side by side and up and down. I'm going to get chains for the tires. Yep. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the like button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start getting paid and start doing this for real. So I can get a better camera, more toys, more videos. Thanks. Peace.